Now next what I am going to do is I am going to make a stencil. See, I have drawn a flower. Okay, I have drawn this flower. Now I am going to take a blade and I am just going to cut this flower out. Okay, so see, I am just taking a blade. You can do it with scissors if you want, but I have this blade which I am comfortable using. So I am going to take this blade. Okay, and I am just going to cut this flower out. There. So I have taken the flower out, and now I have the base also. See, this is without the flower and this is the flower. So I have created a kind of a stencil. So I am going to use this stencil to make some envelopes or some greeting cards. Okay, shall we do that? I have a plain white. See, I have a plain white envelope. I am going to keep this envelope with the flap open. I am going to keep it here. Then I am going to keep this flower. Okay, I am just going to keep this flower in the center of the envelope. Okay, and then I am just going to keep some weights. You can just use some pebbles. Okay, I am just going to keep some weights on the flower. Okay, and then I am going to do some spray painting. First I am going to take some green color paint and see, like I told you earlier, I am just going to spray paint it all over. Just make sure you do it over the flower. Okay, do it over the flower so that the edges of the flower also get covered with paint. So I am using a green color paint and I am just spray painting it all over. Okay, and after that, just for a contrast, I thought I'll take some pink color paint. Okay, and I'm going to do the pink also on the envelope. I'm going to take the pink paint and I'm going to do some pink. Once you've done with that, you slowly take out the pebbles one by one and carefully remove the flower. There, look at that. Doesn't this look good? You created a pattern. See? Doesn't this look good?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. बस करते हो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
इस तरफ
1, 2,
नीचे करो
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
पेंट उठाओ
Into the
छटको करो, नीचे करो ब्रश, करो नीचे पकड़ो, अभी जरा नीचे।
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
पेंट उठो,
into the
और नीचे करो, क्लिप तो पत्थर उठो, 1 by 1 slowly,
1 by 1 slowly.
उठो फ्लावर उठो, ठक उठो, रखो। So now that we have made the envelope, I thought we should make a greeting card. Okay. So now I'm going to take the same flower, the stencil flower. I'm going to keep it. See, now this time I have chosen orange chart paper. Okay, for the greeting card. So I'm taking the same flower. I'm keeping it in the center. I'm keeping the pebbles. Okay. And I thought I will just take some pink paint alone and I'm going to spray paint. See how well the paint sprays? This is really very convenient, this ink brush. So I'm going to paint it all over. Okay? Even over the flower, it's okay if you do it over the flower. It's good if you do it over the flower. Then only, it really will paint in between the petals. So, I'm painting it all over. Then, I'm going to take out the petals one by one. And slowly I'm going to remove the flower. You have to do it in one go like this. There, look at that. Doesn't this look nice? If you hold it straight, you have to let it dry. Okay, so you can make a greeting card like this. There, doesn't this look nice? So basically that is spray painting. Okay, so you can use it for a lot of things. You can use it for wrapping paper, you can use it to make a greeting card, you can use it to make an envelope. Let me show you. Supposing you need to give a gift to somebody who's a little special, so you buy the gift. Now remember that leaf thing I did a similar thing like that, and I made wrapping paper out of it. So isn't this good? So I made wrapping paper out of it, and then see, I made a bag. I did some spray painting on chart paper. I made a bag out of it. So we can put the gift into the bag, and then see, there's a card. You can make a greeting card like the either this card. This is also nice. This is the card we made just now, and this card. And on the inside of the card also, you can use the same flower and do the spray painting, and you can write whatever you need to write inside this. And you can put it into the envelope. See, I have made you the envelope. See, you can put it in the card into the envelope. There. Doesn't that look nice? So you can make an envelope with the stencil. You can make an envelope without the stencil. Or you can even make, these fancy envelopes also. See, these fancy envelopes. They also look very nice. So these are all the things that you can do with spray painting. It really, it gives a real personal touch to a lot of things. So I hope you will enjoy doing this and you will come up with your own ideas, and you will really take to this. Have a good time.